Brother Ben here. Brother Ben. Now, Ben got a heck of a program. A lot of people listening to Brother Ben. And Ben tells them about the minister. And Ben tells them about the minister.
What is your process? Like, what does it take to be Brother Abdul Kiam? Because people don't understand the work. They think it's just, you just download a video and upload it. Like, no, this is a full-time, like there's a reason YouTubers are making millions of dollars, because that's an investment, it's time, it's editing. So what is your day-to-day operations, if you will, to be Brother Abdul Kiam as it pertains to social media?
The first parts of my day is always putting the word in me, because the work brings a lot of pressure with it. The next thing is, what is my assignment from the minister this week or that day? I'm a part of the minister's research staff too. So even before I may post clips and things like that, I have to dig deep, comb the internet to find certain things that others may not find. So I get on my assignments, for the minister. And yes, when it comes to clips, sometimes I spend weeks first to look at a lecture, study it. Then I'm cutting the clips and putting it by the subject matter, putting it in particular folders. Then I'm putting dates on when we wanted to go out based upon what's going on, or based upon when the minister spoke. When the minister speaks just audio, how we going to get the audio out versus a video, you see? Then I had to get on a conference call with the minister almost every 2 weeks or so. He'll call, how's the feedback? So I got to send the minister every time he speaks a minimum of 3 to 4 PDFs of online feedback and comments are sent to him every time. So that's compilation. And the minister, I don't do it all the same way. It got to be laid out a certain way so it's easy on his eyes to read. I put things in ways so he understands what he's looking at on the analytics. So then, many don't know this, I'm saying it publicly, I still manage the Nation of Islam social media pages. Never stop. So we answering inbox messages from all over the world every day on Facebook, still posting on the Twitter account, the minister's Twitter. I got my own platform, I'm working to manage that too. So it's an all-day work and grind. That's just a small peek, into it, but it's a lot of work and sacrifice. I wouldn't trade it for the world.
And Ben tells them about the minister.